You know my name.
No, tell me your name.
My name is Uchemi.
Ujibi.
Uchemi.
Uchebi. Okay, Uchebi.
I come from Bamford.
Bafom. Smile for me, Uchebi.
I smile.
Smile. Hey, Uchebi, 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 Uchebi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is another amazing, beautiful day here in Tamale. Yes, I'm loving the energy of this community, the energy of this place. And today, you know how I do it. I like street food. I like food a lot. So I am visiting Fatah Bicycle, a famous place here in Tamale, and I just want to share that experience with you, bring you along, and tell you what you can get yourself when you come to Tamale, where to get the best food. Their cuisine here is just amazing. I've tried their food personally on 4 different occasions, and I love it. And that is why I want to share that whole experience with you. So let's jump into this video and enjoy this whole vibe of the street food series with Fredrick Dahe. Woo! Okay, come on.
That's a fufu place.
So this is
fufu, where the peel it, the fufu it. Very fancy. So that this one is their boss here.
Who's the boss?
You know now.
Boss lady, look at us, and then give my people, hey, hey,
She's the boss for fufu.
She's the boss. Okay.
Yeah, that's my. This one, she's my mother.
She's your mother?
But she will work here.
Oh, okay. So, are you guys cool? Are you guys cool? Can I get a hey?
This one, she's the one yamming the fufu in the machine.
Okay.
She peel the cooking.
Then you'll
she's the kid. You see, we have Christians here. Every Sunday she go to church and dress nice. Her name is Kate. She's the one.
Kate, how are you? You like working here? How is it working here? I can see that all of you are a big family.
Yes.
Happy people. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Keep working hard. Yes. So this is the unity, working together. Mommy, I like how you people work together as a team here. And it's all women.
Women, we don't need men.
You don't need the men, Oh, okay.
The men, only men who need, who killing the guinea fowl.
Okay.
And the one who panning the fufu.
Okay. Yes. But that one, the woman, that one there. is where the whole food ends up. After the whole process of preparation over there, it comes here, and then we go through that whole process of serving, and you can see the number of customers in the background. I mean, guys, just take a look behind me. If you turn, you can see the number of people here, different cars. This is a very popular spot here in Tamale, and if you find yourself in Tamale looking for food, best food to eat, I mean, you've heard it for yourself. Everyone is saying it, so please do your best to come to Fatal Bicycle, enjoy yourself, have a taste of Tamale. This is a taste of Tamale, you know? Best food. Yeah. Enjoy this whole place.
Yes. Thank you.
I love what you people are doing here,
yes.
And I'll be very grateful to come back again. We'll come and which day is best to come and celebrate with people? I want to come here and come and celebrate.
Yes. Anytime you will not get Sunday unless here come for prayers day.
Okay. Okay, so.
But we will not get time for. If you tired, you stay for your house.
Okay.